How to open one-handed mode with gesture or button on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Then in here, tap on one-handed mode, tap on the left hand side panel, then at the top, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once you turn on one-handed mode, go down and you could select gesture or button. If you select button, you can double tap on the home button to open up one-handed mode, or if you select gesture, then you can swipe down just near the home button, and that will allow you to use gesture to open up one-handed mode. And to close one-handed mode, just tap anywhere outside of the one-handed mode window, and that will close one-handed mode. And tap on the toggle button here at the top to switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.